Hi everyone, this is Andy with Bloomberg.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a new spreadsheet for your Google form. Let's start. I already opened the Google Drive folder where I have the form, so I'm going to double click on it. And now I'm going to click here where it says responses. And if you click here, it's going to open the spreadsheet that is linked to this form. To change it, you're going to click here, and then we're going to click select response destination. Here, we're going to select create a new spreadsheet, and we're going to change the name a little bit. And finally, we're going to click on create. Now, if we click on this icon, we can see that the new spreadsheet has been linked. If you would like to link a spreadsheet that you have created already, you can click here and click on select response destination. Now, select existing spreadsheet. Click on select, and in this new window, you can find a spreadsheet that you would like to link. I'm going to select this one, new form, and click on select. Now let's click here, and the new form spreadsheet has been selected. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.